Okay, so we got this question. Let S and S dash be the foci of the ellipse. B be any one of the extremities of its minor axis. Okay, so they did not mention about whether it is horizontal ellipse or vertical ellipse. So I'll go with horizontal ellipse. Okay, suppose they are talking about this ellipse. Okay, now let's place those points. So these guys are talking about S and S dash. So it is S, it is S dash. You know that S is AE comma 0, S dash is minus of AE comma 0. Okay, and then they are talking about and B be any one of the extremities of its minor axis. So look at this axis is smaller one, so this is the minor, so I'll substitute B over here. So suppose B is 0 comma, you know that it is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Okay, you know that x coordinate will be 0, so this is 0. So y coordinate will be what? It will be 0 comma b, है ना? So you got your things done. Now if this is a right angle triangle, so this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this thing is a right angle triangle. We will take help. This statement is very important. Okay, with right angled at B, so it is right angle at B. Yes, and area is this. Then the length of Letus rectum of the ellipses. Okay, let's try to calculate. So first, you know that they have provided you one situation that it is a right angle triangle. So if it is right angle triangle, can I say that the slope of BS into slope of BS dash will be equal to -1, because we have three variable A, B and E, so you have to solve everything, है ना? Now, so how we will find the slope of BS? You have point B, you have point S. Let's do that. So 0 minus, sorry, B minus 0, y2 minus y1, and 0 minus AE. Similarly, go for this one. Wait a second. Okay, so I'll go with this and this. So again, B minus 0 and 0 minus minus AE. So plus AE is equal to minus of 1. Okay, so can I say it is B square by denominator it is minus and 1 is plus. So its product will become minus. So minus will go that side, it will become what? Plus. So we can write A square E square. So we got our first relationship. Okay, so we got this relationship. Now they have provided you the area to be 8. So can I find out area triangle SBS dash? So it is half, base is this much. Okay, so can I say it is 2 times AE? 2 times AE. Okay, now think about the height. Think about the height. So who is height? This thing is the height. So can I go with B? Okay, like B coordinate is what? 0 comma B na. So height will become y thing. Okay, according to us area is this, but according to them area is 8. Let's simplify. So can I say that ABE is 8? Okay, A, B, E. So we got another relationship. Okay, now look at this. You have AE as, like, can I say that B will be equal to AE? Okay, so can I say that over there B square will be equal to 8? So B will be equal to 2 root 2. I'm talking about only positive part. Okay, so we got B as 2 root 2. Now we have to find A. Now try to solve this one. You know that we have how many equations? We have only this and this, two equations, and we have three variable A, B and E. So you know that we cannot solve this thing easily. Rather we have to take help of whom? We have to take help of relationship between A, B and E. You know that in this case it is horizontal ellipse. You know that we have to write 1 minus E square always. And then who is bigger? In this case it is horizontal, so A is bigger. So A square will go inside, and here we will have B square. Now can I write B square as 8? Because you know the value, है ना? Now can I write A square minus A square E square? Correct? So who is A square E square? Look at this, B square. So can I write A square minus B square is 8? Now you know that B square is, what? 8. So can I say that A square will become 16? Correct or wrong? So can I say that equation of this curve will become what? X square by 16 plus y square by b square is 8, equals to 1. So we got our equation of the curve. Okay, now what is the required thing? The required thing is then the length of latus rectum. So we have to find out length of latus rectum in this part. Okay, so we have to find out length of latus rectum. So you know that it is a chord perpendicular to the axis passing through the focus. So focus means what? AE comma 0. You know that the equation of curve is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, and you know that the focus is AE comma 0. So on x coordinate will remain the same, na, AE. So can I write a square E square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1? This thing gone. So y square is equal to what? 1 minus e square b square. So y will be equal to what? I'll be dealing with positive things only. So b square 1 minus e square. Correct? Now can I say that length of latus rectum will be equal to 2 times root over b square 1 minus e square? Now have you ever seen 1 minus e square ever? Yes, in the relationship. So 1 minus e square, it is horizontal, so a is bigger, so a will go inside b square. Now can you please tell me the value of 1 minus e square? Yes, it is 2 times b square and then b square by a square. So can I write 2 times b square by a? So who is b? B square is 8, so go with 8, है ना? And who is a? A is 4. Like it can be plus minus 4, but we are dealing with length, so I'll go with positive. So 4 twos are 8, so it is 4. So the length of the latus rectum is 4 unit. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable.